right, let's begin with breaking updates coming in. Plane carrying the illegal migrants has now arrived. 104 illegal migrants in the United States have been deported and have been brought to India. So 104 illegal migrants have now returned home. Remember, the United States is cracking down on illegal immigration, and now a plane carrying illegal migrants from India has now landed in Chandigarh. Reports suggesting that the plane has landed in Chandigarh already, and it has 104 illegal migrants. My colleague Pavit is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Pavit, big crackdown by the United States on illegal immigrants, and there are several Indians as well who had gone to the United States illegally who have now been deported. We understand that in the latest they've also arrived in the country. What are the details?
So the breaking of the hour is that the U.S. military aircraft carrying 104 illegal immigrants has landed in India, has landed in Amritsar airport. So right now I'm at the international airport, and in the visuals you can see that the area has been cordoned off because now the Boeing C-17 has landed at Amritsar. So let me tell you that the U.S. military aircraft is carrying around 104 deported Indians who have landed in Amritsar at 2 o'clock today. So the ATC had given it a clearance few minutes back, and now finally the aircraft has landed in India. And let me tell you that the US first military plane carrying Indian immigrant who had entered America illegally were reportedly deported by C-17 aircraft, which landed in Amritsar few seconds before. So at 2:01, the aircraft C-17 landed in Amritsar carrying 104 illegal immigrants who were detained by US, and later on, after the background checks and after the paperwork, were sent to India. So the Trump had promised to crack down on the illegal immigration in his election campaign. Since coming to power, he made this true. He made this happen, and he called for a national emergency on US-Mexico border. So far, the US military planes have already deported to Guatemala, Peru, and Honduras, and now India on the list. So the most of the deported migrants are from Punjab, Haryana, and Gujarat. So each person on the flight was verified before being sent back to India. So let me tell you that the C-17 Globemaster, which uses jet engine, is arranged for the movement of the US troop, has been used to send the illegal immigrants who were living illegally in US to India. So after the US military plane has landed in Punjab in India, the Indian national on the flights will be briefed, and background checks will be run, after which the US plane will deport back to US. So let me tell you that this is the first crackdown which has been done against India, and after this the US plane will deport around 18,000 illegal Indian immigrants in the coming days. So India is cooperating with the US by taking back its nationals who entered America illegally, as Trump fulfills his promise of the mass deportations. So right now the biggest breaking of the hour is that a US military plane carrying around 104 Indian nationals has landed in Amritsar, and in few minutes the whole legal proceedings will take place. The deportations which started on Tuesday 3 a.m. have now come to an end, and the plane has successfully landed in Amritsar, where a background check of the deportees will be taken care of. The ones who have a criminal background will be taken into custody, and the ones who have a clean background will be deported off to the various states as mentioned in the data. The 104 number, which states that most of the deportees are from Punjab, Haryana, and Gujarat. So according to the sources, the deportees from the Gujarat will be sent back after the brief verification of the background checks will be run. They will be deported to Gujarat via plane this evening, and rest, if we talk about the citizens of the states, be it Punjab or Haryana, they will be deported to the various stations via bus services. So right now the biggest breaking of the hour is that the Trump, who had called for a immigration crackdown, has successfully done this, and now the Indians who were illegally living in the US have been deported to Amritsar.
Okay, all right. So, Pavit, like you mentioned, we are seeing visuals as well that have come in of the illegal migrants from the United States being deported back to India. It's the imposing US military aircraft C-17 that has landed in Chandigarh. The numbers are 204. Pavit, any more information of whether there will be more aircraft coming in of these immigrants who had gone to the United States without a proper documentation in place?
See, as per the data which is revealed, according to the sources, there are around 18,000 illegal immigrants from India who are living in US. So right now, amongst those, around 104 immigrants have been deported to India today, to Amritsar today. And US is planning to deport because around, according to the sources, around 750 of the immigrants are being daily taken into custody, are being taken to the centers from where their background check is taking place, the documentation is taking place, because most of these people do not possess a passport, and they are being brought back to the country after an immigration slips, after the things that are taking place at the embassies. So embassies are taking these all things into the are taking the care of everything, because most of these people, while they're crossing the borders of Mexico, their passports are being taken by because they are going through via donkeys. So maximum people do not have access to their passports, so they are being brought back to the country after a thorough background check and after the verifications. They are being given immigration slips for using which they are now coming back to India. So US is planning for more deportations in the coming days, and we are expecting that, like today, more other aircrafts and more other US military aircrafts will be carrying more other deportees from the US to India.
Okay, so the deportation process also involves the verification of each person, and after which they have been brought back to the country. Is there any information, Pavit, on what is the step that will be taken after this? You mentioned that after they've been brought back to Chandigarh, from here they will go to their respective hometowns. The US Embassy has also given a very stern message saying illegal entry into the United States is not worth it, because all illegal immigrants are going to be deported. One of the key messages that the President Trump had also spoken of even during his campaign, and one of the first few actions that he has taken after taking over as the president.
See, as we know that they could have used a private plane to deport all these deportees, illegal immigrants, to various places, including India. But using a US military aircraft sends a message right out there, which indicates that the thing that they have done by crossing the border illegally.